Hi guys, it's Meg and we're back with another really random video, to be quite honest with you, but I think you're going to like it, so stay tuned. The first colour you're going to need is Glamour Girl, but Funfair is actually the second colour we're going to use, which is right now. So we are going to plop our 3 shades down and we're going to blend these together into a beautiful 3-toned ombre. The next shade we're going to use is Mulberry Crush. I kind of went with like a pink vibe on this gradient, I would say, because Glamour Girl is quite nudie pink and then Funfair is baby pink and this one is like super purpley pink. But I kind of went with the flow with this. I literally had no idea what I was doing. I just felt very free in my mind and I was like, I'm gonna do something fun and do something cute, and it came out really cute. So cute's obviously the word of the day because I keep repeating it, but it's gonna look cute. So what you want to do is use a detail brush and just drag these 3 products into each other, and this is going to create a really effortless ombre effect. The products are brilliant for blending together and you can see this. We're going to go with a second coat now just to create a little bit more depth and a little bit more sparkle. This is the point where I was like, what do I do next? Can't just leave it like this. So I decided to go with Snow White and create some cute little like clouds across the nail, because I thought like galaxy, sky, clouds, pink, glitter, ombre, sparkle, super cute. And while I've got a second, I'm just going to add in here that if you want to head to the website and purchase any of these products that I used today, make sure to type in Styled by Meg 10 and you will receive a cute little 10% discount on your order. And let's be honest, who doesn't love a little discount? Back to the nail. When you're doing cloud designs, you want to basically plop a little bit of colour and a line where you want the cloud to be, and then using little brush strokes you just want to fluff up the top of them as I'm doing here, and then drag some really fine lines out each side, and immediately you're going to get a cloud effect. It's just basically building the height. It doesn't have to be neat, it can just be messy. Build that height, and then to create the cloud to look really realistic, you just want to create the fine lines on the side. This is how it looked in the end, and I think it looked really cute. You just want to top coat that now. You can either go gloss or matte, but that is your finished nail, and I think that's a really good filler for a fun pink sparkly set. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye!